How to use Tap to Pay on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your Android device. In your settings, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Bluetooth and device connection. After you've clicked on Bluetooth and device connection, turn on NFC. After you've turned on NFC, simply go back from this setting and then open the Wallet app on your device. After you're in the Wallet app, click on Add to Wallet at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you can add your payment method as you'll find different options: loyalty card, gift card, transit pass, payment card. Select the one you want and you're good to go. This is how to use Tap to Pay on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.